That's cute there, though, slapping us. Did you get that, Vanessa?
Uh-huh. I'm recording it right now.
Did you get me slapping that ball?
She's not gonna.
Slap me.
She's not gonna do it.
Give me that ball. Give me that ball. Give me that ball. Give me.
She's not gonna do it. Oh, she said,
Ow! You bent too hard. You bent too hard. Tear it up. Get it. Get it. Throw it. Throw it. That's what y'all wanted me for. Throw it. Uh-oh, it went off the bed. She did throw it, didn't she? Look at that. Where did it go? She said, oh, no, I lost it. I folded it away. Oh, there it is. You can't even keep it in. Throw it. Throw it. Get it. Get it.
That's funny.
You hit her on the head, but that's when she lays down. I know, but that's when she lays down and don't chase it anymore. If you hit her on top of the head, she'll lay down or sit down.
Oh my God, that was funny right there.
Get it. Throw it. Throw it. Throw it at her. Don't throw it at her. Throw it at her. Throw it at her.
Can I hit off?